Hi there, students. Uplifting. Okay, uplifting is an adjective. Uplift as a noun, I think usually uncountable, but it could be countable as well. And to uplift as a verb. Okay, I want to look at uplifting as the adjective to start with. If you describe something as uplifting, it makes you feel happy, it makes you feel cheerful, it makes you feel good, it inspires you, it raises your moral awareness, it makes you a better person. So it was a very uplifting story about how these orphans had been saved. Very touching, very moving. This film was very uplifting. It made you feel very good. So something that's uplifting, it's something that's very positive. It uplifts you literally. It inspires happiness. It inspires optimism. It inspires hope. Yeah. Something uplifting is the idea of triumph over adversity is always uplifting. Something that's positive encourages an improvement in your mood or in your spirit. So uplifting music, yeah, something very positive, not this supermarket music where you just zone out to it. Okay, so something uplifting, something raises your moral, spiritual or cultural level. Yeah, uplifting, improving the mood. Now, to uplift is a little bit more complicated. Okay, firstly, to uplift, to raise the happiness of the story uplifted me. I was uplifted by the by their success through adversity. So to uplift, to improve a person's moral or spiritual condition. The sermon by the priest uplifted me, made me feel better. Okay, uplift, something that raises something. So for example, the fact that the shape of the wing of an aircraft causes uplift. Yeah, it lifts the aircraft upwards. So uplift, so to support or for a force that raises an object or holds it up. So what do you think of my uplift bra? No, it's just a joke. It's just a joke. To uplift, an increase in value. This is something that they use in the stock exchange. The shares have experienced an uplift of 25%. Yeah. You can also use this uplift to talk about collecting goods or people from one place and taking them to another. So a free uplift service for large items that you want to get rid of. It's much more unusual though. But let's see, to uplift, to improve a person's moral or spiritual condition. Yeah, uplifting. To uplift, to raise something to a higher position. Yeah, to uplift, to increase in value. Okay, so uplift, to raise the level of, to improve, to lift into a higher position. The smoke was uplifted into the sky. Okay, there was an uplift in the confidence of students. Something that makes you more positive, more optimistic. Yeah. Love gives you an uplift. Okay, so to uplift, to lift up, to elevate, to improve the social, spiritual or intellectual condition of. Uplift, to uplift, to rise. Okay, so uplift. Okay, if something uplifts people, it helps them have better lives by making them happy or improving social conditions. Yeah, this was an uplift for the mind and the spirit. The win was a massive uplift for the team. An uplift in the price of shares, an increase in their value. To uplift, to raise up, to increase the height of, or to uplift, to collect a passenger or parcel, to pick up and take somewhere else. So, formality, uplift, an uplift. This was very uplifting. I think I'm going to give it 5.5 in formality. Use it anywhere. This was such an uplifting song. And as to origin, well, it's to lift up, it's to lift something up, so I think the origin is very clear. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Uplifting, uplift.